From egg to air, how a butterfly changes and survives a butterfly's life does not begin with wings. It begins as a tiny egg, often hidden on the underside of a leaf or attached to a plant that will later become food. This careful placement matters because a young caterpillar cannot travel far to find its first meal. Butterflies go through a process called complete metamorphosis, which means they change through 4 major stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Each stage looks different, but none of the stages is random or unimportant. Together, they help the butterfly grow, change, survive, and eventually continue the life cycle. The first stage begins when a female butterfly lays eggs on or near a host plant. A host plant is the plant that a caterpillar will eat after it hatches. Some butterfly eggs are round, while others may be oval or shaped differently depending on the species. These eggs are usually very small, so they can be difficult to see without looking closely. Inside each egg, a tiny larva develops until it is ready to break through the shell. Once it hatches, the insect enters the stage most people recognize as the caterpillar stage. During the larva stage, the caterpillar's main job is to eat and grow. Many caterpillars begin by eating part of the eggshell they hatch from, and then they start feeding on leaves from the host plant. As the caterpillar grows, its outer skin becomes too tight, so it sheds that skin through a process called molting. This may happen several times before the caterpillar is fully grown. Although this stage may look like simple eating, it is actually preparation for one of the biggest changes in the animal world. The energy stored during this stage helps the caterpillar survive the next part of its life cycle. When the caterpillar is ready, it forms a pupa, which is often called a chrysalis in butterflies. From the outside, the chrysalis may look still, quiet, or even inactive. Inside, however, the caterpillar's body is going through a major transformation. During metamorphosis, the insect changes from a crawling larva into an adult butterfly with wings, legs, antennae, and a body built for a different kind of life. This stage is important because it allows the butterfly to develop the structures it needs as an adult. The pupa stage shows that growth is not always visible from the outside. When the adult butterfly emerges, it is not immediately ready to fly. Its wings are soft and folded, so the butterfly must pump fluid into them and wait as they expand and dry. Once its wings are strong enough, the butterfly can fly to find nectar, avoid predators, and search for a mate. Adult butterflies also help continue the life cycle by laying eggs on plants that will support the next generation. From egg to caterpillar to chrysalis to adult, each stage has a specific role. The butterfly's life cycle shows how survival depends on change, timing, and the connection between living things and their environment.